Hello, everyone. My name is Ramon Marin. I'm a doctoral student at Federal University of São Carlos in Brazil. Today, I'm going to present an experiment performed during my master's degree. A meaningful stimulus has been defined as a member of an equivalence class established in our daily lives. These generalized equivalence classes comprise related stimuli which may contextually control our behavior in similar ways. Some experiments have assumed that the training of a relation between a member of an experimentally established equivalence class and a meaningful stimulus would produce the emergence of relations between all members of each class, the meaningful and the experimental class. The present experiment assessed this assumption. First, participants learned arbitrary relations with abstract stimuli to establish three member equivalence classes. After confirming the emergence of equivalence relations, participants learned to relate one stimulus of each class with a word. For a group of participants, the words were familiar, in Portuguese, the participants' native language. For other groups, the words were meaningless. Participants were then tested on the emergence of relations between the words and the other stimuli within their respective experimental classes. Further, the participants were tested on the emergence of relations between a set of familiar pictures considerably related pre-experimentally to the words dentist, baker, and mechanic, and the abstract stimuli within each experimental class. This test assessed if participants would merge the familiar class and the experimental class based on learned relations in phase 2 of this experiment. These emergent relations would be considered what has been defined as merger of classes. The graph presents the mean percentage of each test for each group. Both groups showed evidence of establishment of three-member experimental equivalence classes and evidence of the inclusion of the words into the experimental class. Only participants in group 1 consistently matched the pictures related to each word to their respective classes, according to the learned relations in phase 2. This result supports that meaningful stimuli can be considered as a member of pre-experimental equivalence classes, and also that relating them with other stimuli may produce the emergence of several new relations with other related meaningful stimuli. It helps to understand the role of stimulus familiarity in learning process. You can check these results in further detail in our published article. Thank you very much.